Request for Information, or RFI, is a formal process used to obtain clarification or additional information from architects, engineers, clients, or other stakeholders involved in a project. RFIs help resolve questions or ambiguities, ensuring that work proceeds according to project specifications and plans. For example, a contractor may submit an RFI to the project architect, seeking clarification on the type of material to be used for a specific section of a building. The architect then responds with the necessary details, allowing the contractor to proceed with the work accurately and as intended. The RFI tool settings offer robust features to help efficiently manage and customization of the RFI workflow. These are administrative features that empower your team to effectively manage RFIs, ultimately improving communication and collaboration in your projects. RFI permissions regulate who can view, create, edit, or manage RFIs within a project. The structure of these permission levels help enable secure and efficient collaboration. RFI types are used to dictate which RFI workflows get used to manage the lifecycle of the RFI. Several RFI types can exist in the project, allowing for flexibility in the way RFIs get routed and managed. The RFI tool comes pre-populated with a default RFI workflow type. Each RFI workflow type includes roles for the RFI creator, manager, and reviewer. There is also a workflow type that includes an RFI coordinator role. When a coordinator is used, the coordinator can provide the official response. Custom fields allow you to track additional information for each RFI on your project. These custom fields can include preset values for quick completion when the RFI is created. The advanced RFI settings allow you to control specific functionality of the RFI workflow. From the Home tab within the Build product, you'll notice an RFI section. Within this RFI section, to adjust any of the settings, simply come over here to the right side, select Settings, and choose which setting type. Once one is selected, like the permissions in this example, I can then go from permissions to RFI types to custom fields to advanced settings. The RFI tool facilitates efficient information exchange on construction project. Proper RFI management improves communication between stakeholders, reducing delays from outstanding information requests, and maintains organized records. By leveraging its core capabilities, the RFI tool enables robust information management for smooth project execution. Within the RFIs, you can create an RFI, which creates the RFI to initiate a formal process used to obtain clarification or additional info. You can process the RFI, which is the process of RFI to provide the requested clarification or additional information. You can export those RFIs as a report and project documentation, and you can search and filter RFIs to obtain relevant information. Several actions in the RFI workflow result in email notifications for participants in the workflow. These notifications provide greater awareness and visibility as the RFI progresses from its open to its close. If external collaborators are involved in the RFI workflow, you can provide these non-members with access using their email address so they can participate in the ball and court reviewer, or watcher roles. In doing so, those participants can respond with an email which is captured in the RFI tool. This table shows when each participant in the RFI workflow receives an email notification.